In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ChatGPT your personal lawyer with a full legal AI guide and advanced prompts. Let's dive into the process and explore how you can harness the power of this AI tool for your legal queries. Firstly, head over to your web browser and navigate to Google. It's one of the most straightforward ways to find services online. Once you're at Google's homepage, hop right into the search bar and type ChatGPT. This search will guide you directly to the relevant website, making it easy to access the AI tool we'll be using today. Now, go ahead and click on the official ChatGPT website link that appears in the search results. This will take you to the platform where you can start interacting with the AI. Here's where the magic begins. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, it's time to start typing your prompts. To begin, you might say something like, "I want you to act as a legal professional for my civil case." This direct approach enables you to set the context and tone for the AI, letting it know you expect legally nuanced responses. After typing your prompt, simply click on the Submit button. This action launches your query into the system, prompting ChatGPT to provide responses like a seasoned legal expert. You can expect informative, concise outputs that strive to answer your legal inquiries effectively. For those needing more in-depth legal research, consider typing another prompt like, "Conduct concise legal research on divorce and child custody, summarize key laws, cases, and regulations, then provide brief analysis and conclusions." As you submit this second inquiry, ChatGPT will refine its answers to align with more specific legal contexts, offering you well-rounded insights into your area of interest. But don't stop there. If you thirst for even deeper knowledge, type yet another related prompt. For example, you could inquire, "Give an overview of major family law precedents, their key legal arguments, and the consequences of misinterpreting them." Submitting this question invites ChatGPT to unpack complex legal issues and deep dive into precedents that might shape how cases are interpreted or decided. Finally, with each prompt and subsequent response, feel free to continue submitting new questions to extend your understanding. ChatGPT's ability to engage in iterative exchanges makes it a powerful tool for learning and understanding intricacies in legal matters. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage ChatGPT as your personal lawyer, receiving intricate, researched, and personalized legal insights. Whether you're exploring for personal knowledge or preparing for a legal challenge, this AI can be an invaluable asset in your toolkit. So go ahead, take advantage of advanced prompts, and maximize what ChatGPT has to offer in legal exploration.